Hi, Jared Carmen from Carmen Real Estate, and welcome to an amazing property at 6 Mondana Way in Mount Martha. A beautiful, quiet street in an amazing location and a sensational home. 5 bedrooms or 4 and a study on 1,000 square metres. You need to go and check it out. Entering the property, you can see just how good the presentation is. There's a beautiful living space at the front with bay windows, heaps of light coming through. And off the living is a study that can be utilised as a 5th bedroom or a space that you can work from home. The main bedroom is a really great size with a huge bay window, brand new carpet, a walk-in robe, and the ensuite bathroom with floor-to-ceiling tile and beautiful fixtures is a delight to be in. How cool is this kitchen? Stunning. So you've got stainless steel appliances all the way through, stone bench tops, a butler's sink, which I love, the big oven right behind me, and I just love the profile on the cabinetry. And what I really dig is this amazing servery window. How good is this? Serve out to your friends, they're out on the deck, hanging out, all under cover, straight from the kitchen. This is such a great space. Hub of the home, you can entertain all the way through here. And then you've also got this amazing living room. You've got a huge living space with bifold doors again, all connected, entertainment paradise. Then you can come through to a rumpus room. The rumpus room just accentuates the 3 living zones of the property. You can look out to the backyard from the rumpus room, and it's also attached to one of the large bedrooms with built-in robes. The floor plan works really well. Behind sliding doors, you have an extra 2 bedrooms, both of really good size with built-in robes, brand new carpet all the way through, and that's serviced by a gorgeous bathroom with unique feature tile, floor-to-ceiling tile all the way through, and great fixtures. The property has amazing outdoor entertaining areas. You've got an undercover spot, it's beautiful. You also have a double garage with a flow-through, so you can bring boats, caravans, trailers, you name it, out the back here. With a double shed as well, so if you're a tinkerer, you like your toys, this is the spot for you. And it's not every day you get a property on 1,000 square metres. You could put a pool in, you could do whatever you like. This is an extraordinary home. It's beautifully renovated, it's super comfortable and functional for a family, and it is amazing. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give me a call anytime. I would love to show you through, but this will move very quickly, so be fast.